Thinking about building a pool? The right size isn't about trends. It's about how you'll use it. What's to consider when deciding on the right pool size for your family? Start with the purpose. Play and family fun? Relaxing and soaking? Or swimming laps? Next, look at your space. Your pool should fit your yard and leave room to enjoy it. Who's using the pool matters. Kids, guests, or quiet evenings. Every family needs something different. How often will you swim? Daily use may call for more space, while occasional dips can mean smaller designs. And don't forget outdoor living. More seating and entertaining space may mean a more compact pool. Finally, your budget. Larger pools cost more to build and maintain, but you can always start small. MPG's trusted pool builders help families design the perfect pool. Any size, anywhere. Find your local builder today.